Yo, what up, y'all? It's your friendly neighborhood fly guy, Cool Kim, aka NY All Ideal. Hey, yo, man, I know I told you I wasn't gonna be doing a whole bunch of cooking videos while I'm, doing my thing. But still in all, man, something special going on today, and I had to share it with you, alright? So check it out, man. September 7th actually marked my wife and I's 23rd year of marriage, man. You know what I'm saying? And so, she was out of town for a couple of weeks, and I was like, yo, man, when she come back, let's do something special. She just got back in today, so I'm like, yo, let me cook you something nice for our anniversary, alright? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a jerk salmon, alright? Now here's the caveat here, fam. I don't eat fish. And since I don't eat fish, I have no point of reference for what tastes good when you make fish. However, I am Cool Kim, I am dope, so it's gonna go down, you understand what I'm saying? And I also am not really familiar with jerk seasoning. I'm gonna keep it a deck. And here's the thing about that. Yo, I'm West Indian, yo. So you already know this is gonna be crazy. But I'm gonna do my thing and y'all gonna get to watch. We're gonna make this video short and sweet and we're gonna shake it out. Come on, let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna start with some broccoli. Alright. Then we're gonna go with the yellow, orange, and green peppers. Some red onions, scallions, ginger, and butter. Alright, so yo, we went through the ingredients, you know what's what on here. Let's deal with the salmon. What we're gonna do, start off with doing, we're gonna take this piece of salmon. It's a big piece. QP's not gonna eat all of this in one sitting, so we're gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna score it because I want the seasoning to reach inside of the salmon. I don't just want to coat stuff on the outside. I want stuff to happen inside, all kind of magic going on. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so now that we got that done, let's hit it with some. I'm not gonna do a lot to the raw fish. So the raw fish, we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper. Got a little onion, sweet onion sea salt. Now that's what I'm putting on there off the rip. That's how we gonna start it right there and then. Now the next thing is we wanna add the jerk seasoning to it. We're gonna take our freshly seasoned salmon, put it in there. It's a little cap full of jerk seasoning. That's all we need right now. That's even probably more than I'm gonna need, so I'm probably gonna ease up on that. Alright, cool. So now that we've done that, boom, let's take that piece back out. Let's take it to the next level. We got some ginger here. We're gonna take a little slice of ginger. Alright, cool. So boom, we're gonna hit it with this here brown mustard. You know what I'm saying? We got us a little stick of butter, a little piece of butter. We're gonna walk it over here. Let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna put our butter in there, let that start rocking. Alright, so while we let this thing start to simmer, we're gonna add some of these scallions or green onions and just a little bit of the ginger. We just want to add this in here so it can cook with the, salmon and release. Then the heat of the butter and the scallions and the ginger are gonna help release the umami. You understand, the flavor. Alright, cool. So while our butter starts to work with the green onions and the ginger, turn up the volume on this here boiling water I got going here. Add a little salt, you know what I mean, just to get it rocking. A little oil in there as well, so that when I add my penny noodles, penny, you know what I'm saying, they won't stick. So a little dab of oil when you make your noodles is always a good little idea, man, because it'll keep them from being, clumping up when they cook. You know what I mean? It's a little tip from the kids. So get the salmon. Alright, let's take our piece. I'm going to start like this. Go with the skin side first. We're going to let this drain rock and roll. Here we go. It's go time now. You heard me? Alright, so while that's rocking and rolling, we're going to toss in our broccoli. Right now we have some good action going on here. What we're going to do is we're going to flip this over. You don't have to. Now look, you see what I'm doing? Getting that oil right up on there like that. Come this way. Put it in that oil there, you see what I'm saying? Now we'll flip it over. So far so good, it's looking pretty cool. Now again, keep in mind that fish is not my thing. I don't know fish like that. Me and fish ain't personal. I don't know, the stop and go points. Where somebody that eat fish, you probably can tell on sight when it's turn that joint over to do something. Nah, I'm tapping into just my limitless talent, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm ready to take this shit fish out the pan. You heard? Alright, so let's do this. Get a load of that, huh? How pretty that was. We're gonna add some of our other ingredients. So let's take a move over here to the chopping block so we don't have to keep moving food around. I'm gonna take some of these red onions. Take some of these green peppers. A little more of this here ginger, and a little more of the green onions, alright? Alright, cool. So our vegetables is doing their thing. While they're doing their thing, what we're going to do is we're going to throw a little garlic in this joint. Parsley flakes. So now we're going to take some of these penne noodles out. The jerk sauce is not overpowering. You know what I'm saying? It's you know that's in there. So we're gonna just give it a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little squirtle of soy sauce, just to give it a little more depth of flavor. I'm just gonna go with a cap full of that. All right, so cooking down, it's looking good, everything's positive. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some heavy cream, and we're gonna add some coconut milk. Mix them jokers in there like that. Look at that. I'm gonna take our piece of salmon, put that joker in there with it. Sit that bad boy. Let's keep it hip hop, y'all, you know what I mean? Not glamorous. Remember I said I wasn't gonna overcook it. This is why, because I knew that I was gonna do that. So we're gonna cover it over. I'm gonna let it sit. Now while we do that, I'm gonna do the part that most people don't enjoy doing, and I'm one of them that don't enjoy doing it. We're going to do a little cleaning up, get everything together. Technology, the only tech I respect. Next, I'm on deck. I'm pulling shorty straws down to a Gore-Tex and driving a Lex. Now it was one of those days, not much to do, so I sparked the LS2 and found somebody who to screw. Who is the crew? You want me run through? If what you say is true, it's done. Everything's ready. Alright, time to play. Jerk salmon. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, is the moment we all been waiting for. QP has a plate full of food. QP, how you feeling today?
Happy to be home. Happy that my husband knows how to cook. So I'm looking forward to tasting the salmon. He doesn't eat fish, so he probably won't get a chance to taste it, but
all right, so happy anniversary. I love you, pal.
I love you too.
We should get one of these. All right, there you go. All right, pal, let's do this. Ready?
Okay.
Hold on, real quick though. I know you my wife. I know you love me. I know you're gonna hold me down. I know you won't want to publicly embarrass me. But we gotta keep it a deck though, cause that's one thing. Like integrity is key. Like if it's whack, it's whack. We just gotta it is what it is. But we gotta see what's what.
Okay.
All right, you trying the noodles first?
Yeah. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I taste a lot of ginger, but probably could have a slice of ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Salmon is the bomb.
Salmon's the bomb.
Very light and airy. Yeah. I might have to slide these noodles away.
Noodles is in the way, kid.
Yeah, the noodles in the way of my salmon. Yeah, the salmon is everything, y'all.
All right, so we're gonna kick it up a notch, and I'm gonna try it. Let's grab a piece of the salmon.
Come on, babe. There's a little piece. There's a little piece.
Right here?
Yeah. There you go. Close your eyes and dive in to deliciousness. It doesn't even taste like fish. He doesn't like fish.
It's not bad. It's fish. That's why I'm having a hard time with it. You know what I'm saying? It's like if I gave you a bowl of poop, I could flavor the shit out of it, but it was still, quite literally, but it would still be a bowl of poop to you, like, ugh, you know what I'm saying? Or raw frog. Raw frog might taste delicious, but it's a raw frog. You're like, ugh. There's one thing. It's hard for me to eat fish now, but it does taste really good. I almost feel I'm upset with myself that I got such a, like fish is leaving me out so much. Because it actually tastes really nice.
Well, we gonna let him eat his food.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Once again, your friendly neighborhood fly guy is doing some fly shit. You know what I'm saying? Just taking it to the next level. You know what I'm saying? Now, not only if I'm mastering this fish on you, but I also just mastered this jerk seasoning I've never used before. I took it to the next level.
And you was able to do that because who are you?
The Iron Chef of hip hop. Alright? I am the one true Iron Chef of hip hop, the greatest cook in all of the hip hop community. You have just been blessed. Have a great night.
Peace, y'all.